Motorcycle accidents are often quite severe. Obviously, the list of potential injuries from a motorcycle accident could fill a medical school textbook. We have experience dealing with many of those, from hand injuries to shoulder injuries to amputation injuries to head injuries to jaw injuries. Understanding someone's unique injuries following a motorcycle crash is really about educating yourself so that when it comes time to present someone's claim, the lawyer could actually teach about what someone has suffered. And when we represent someone who's had a motorcycle crash at the Briggs law firm, we endeavor to do that, to educate ourselves to the point it doesn't matter what injury someone has had, we have taught ourselves about it, and we can teach other people about it, who may well be the insurance company who is in control of resolving your claim or not.